Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is day 16 of the 30 pages later, the creative sketchbook challenge to nurture our soul and our creativity. I'm just adding my own twist to the same format, wherein I'm adding additional layer with pencil at the base of the wood panels. Again, the panels are not gessoed. I have straight away started working on the wood, and I'm writing text which I know is not going to be visible because there are going to be too many layers to make sure it's hidden, and I can write whatever I like. I can abuse to whoever I want to if I need to. However, I am not the kinds who genuinely abuse people. That was a joke. Anyways, so now again with the same format and the same flow, just moving ahead and applying paint. For a change, I'm using cool colors to begin with. That's the way you learn and you progress, by changing things and see, okay, maybe I should try this today, maybe I should try that today. So I thought every time I use warm colors first, because actually hot pink is my favorite color. I would die without pink. Having said that, I love blues too. So I'm moving ahead with blues and then greens and purples for these three. The best part about this format, if I haven't said it enough, number one, there is no water involved in this entire process. Number two, I take paint directly out of the bottles or the tubes, and I don't have to worry about cleaning up the paint palette. And again, this is just me. You are different. Your thought process is going to be different. For me, as minimum as I can make my art process time, I feel much more nurtured and happy with that. Some people love details, and that's totally fine too. For a person like me, I think I'm way too impatient. And if you've not figured that out by now, then let me spill the truth that yes, I'm patient. I have changed too many mediums in the past 15 days of our challenge. We started with Dollarama acrylics, then we moved on to watercolors, then I started with gouache, and now I'm back to acrylics again. So yes, I am a little frivolous in my head, but I have come to day 16 of this creative challenge, and actually there is nobody else to thank you but you guys, because of your views is why I am doing this, why I think it matters. People out there need the creative push, and that is all I'm doing. If you notice, I hate wasting paint. I do not want to have probably even a millimeter of paint wasted. So I'm using the paint to put on the sides of the wood panels. Optimum utilization of resources is my mantra. This is the base layer. These are not going to be the final pieces. We will come to the final pieces and I will share the entire process. Thank you so much guys once again for following along, and please subscribe to the channel if you think my videos are of any value. Lots of love from Sam and Stella, signing off for today. See you tomorrow.